Roofing contractors in Meridian, Idaho are a good choice for homeowners who want to upgrade their roofs. These professionals can install new roofs for homes and commercial buildings. Their services range from installation of shingles to complete roofing repair and replacement. Whether you need a new roof for a home or commercial building, you can count on a dependable contractor. Contact one of the many companies that provide these services in Meridian, Idaho to get a free estimate on your project. Damaged shingles can be repaired or replaced, depending on the severity of the damage. If they are broken or exposed, these may lead to leaks. If you see rusted metal or displaced shingles in the valley, your roof may be at risk. To avoid this, contact a roofing contractor in Meridian. They can repair or replace your roof or fix a leak in your house. Listed below are a few signs you should be aware of. Call or email our office today for a free quote or estimate on your residential or commercial needs. We work with all insurance companies and handle the whole claim process from start to finish.